of all, Jai Hind to all the social workers who are working very hard in search of COVID-19 infections. Without wasting my time, I would like to directly start on the topic, that is the role of pharmacists in the such a pandemic situation of COVID-19. The first important thing that I personally believe is that it is the great platform, or it is the great chance to all the pharmacists present in the India to join the clinical pharmacy. If you join the clinical pharmacy, as well as you have to join with the community pharmacy too, because it is very courageous work at the time right now that all the pharmacists are doing is just like the warriors. I am saying that pharmacists are going to be warrior of this whole scenario, because as the way they have been put forthing the things in the such a world, put forthing their things, that is just remarkable. The next important thing that the pharmacist should do is that the patient counseling. Many a times what happens, the people who have the COVID-19 infection, they are become very mentally ill, and just the day before, when a report had been come that said that there are many people have been going through the depression. So the patient, through the way of the patient counseling, pharmacists can make aware the patient about the things that happening in the whole this pandemic situation. The next important thing is that I personally believe is that pharmacists should make aware people about how the bad things or how the bad habits they have. That in the community we see the people have very bad habit that they spit here and there, and as we all come to know that the virus chain get multiplied when it come with the contact with that infected person droplets. So we have to make people aware about how to make healthy habits, how to increase their immunity. As I just said, we have to increase the immunity, but how can we increase? In the pharmacy, as we all know that hydroxychloroquine sulfate had been found to be very useful in the such pandemic situation. But at the time right now, we have to increase our immunity. So we can make some social videos such as turmeric is very good in the increasing immunity. If there is aloe vera is there, Azadirachta directa indica is there. If we make the people aware about the importance of such herbal formulations, I think the immunity of the persons or the society will increase, and they may fight against this COVID-19 infection. The next important thing is that we have to make people aware about the homemade hand sanitizers as well. The importance of hand sanitizer, that is alcohol based hand sanitizer, is very important in these situations. If we make the people more aware about the homemade hand sanitizer, the spread of this infection may get stopped. In the pharmacy, there is very famous quote is that we can get 1000 of prescription, but it is very hard to get one single remedy. The same important thing is happening at the time right now. The whole world is on the search of the how to make new drug, how to stop this chain of this pandemic COVID-19 infection. But the things will become in our mind. The things that we have to focus on the scenario is that, as a pharmacist point of view, I personally believe that pharmacists should make the patient counseling programs very brightly. Because many a times the people who have been suffering from this COVID-19 infections become mentally very ill. And it is pharmacy, it is also stated that healthy mind lives in the healthy body. So that if the person is suffering from COVID-19 infection, we have to make him aware about he can cure from it, he can live up to the more, he can live very satisfactorily even if he has the infection. The pharmacy is utmost thing that make the person aware about the importance of the life, as well as to treat this whole infection scenarios. Students and the viewers, we have to make sure that pharmacy is not only about the selling of the medicines. As a pharmacy point of view, we have to deal with such a type of, not only deals with the only type of business only. We have to cure the society. Because what? Pharmacy is what? Pharmacy is all about treating the